7 minutes to go, the opening quarter. We're tied at 11. Bola na kay Carriazo. Carriazo over to Holcomb. Holcomb on the right side. And caught dancing to the wrong song.
Si Willie Miller napapapunas ng mata eh, no? Ano ba yun?
But there is tremendous pressure on both teams. Dahil sino ba naman may gusto na patalo ka ng 4 na diretso?
Yun, at uuwi ka galing sa Bohol. Sana kung dito lang sa Bohol dyan sa Quezon City eh, no? Medyo mabilis ka makakarating ng bahay.
Blocked by Ralimi. Well, at 7-1, that's certainly something that should be in his arsenal. So Pure Foods hoping to shatter the deadlock. Roger Yap, lob pass, Ralimi, kick out, Kirby, cross court, James Yap, fires, scores!
Hindi niya ang direksyon, ano? Para ba, sige, tumira na kayo ng tumira sa labas, meron tayong